Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, if you have installed a screen protector on your A13, this is a A13. So if for whatever reason you have placed a screen protector on your device and you find that the touch is not behaving as it normally did, meaning it's not as accurate, maybe you're getting accidental touches too easily, one of the things you can turn on to fix this issue is as follows. All right, so if you want to fix accidental touches on the screen with a screen protector installed, go ahead, you're going to go to your settings. So go ahead and tap the gear icon. Once you do, you're going to go to display under settings. All right, so you're going to scroll down. And if the screen is not sensitive enough, meaning it's accidentally registering touches when you didn't want to click, or click when you didn't want to click, or behaving abnormally, go ahead and turn on touch sensitivity. All right, so from now on, you should find that you're better able to maneuver in terms of when the screen protector is on. It will be more precise in terms of your touches to make sure that it selects what you want. All right, so it's a good idea to have it on, especially if you have a screen protector on. All right, so this one I was having issues where sometimes I'll be scrolling and it is touching. And I didn't want to touch. It was just too sensitive in terms of its behavior. So now I find that it should be more precise if you turn this on. And of course, you should have less accidental clicks, especially if I'm touching to scroll and so on. All right, so that's how you do it on these devices. All right, so that was helpful and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.